Our planet is changing, and not in a good way. Let's talk about global warming, and how it's heating up our world. Global warming is caused by the buildup of greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, in our atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, kind of like a blanket around the Earth. This is known as the greenhouse effect, and it's getting thicker every year. The result: melting glaciers, rising sea levels, extreme weather, and disappearing habitats. Climate change is the consequence of global warming. Some facts. Thermometer: the last 8 years were the hottest on record. Globe sea levels have risen over 8 inches since 1880. Fire, wildfires, floods, and heat waves are now more frequent and severe. But here's the good news: we can still make a difference. Use renewable energy, cut down on meat, recycle, plant trees, and speak up. Global warming affects us all. Let's protect our planet before it's too late.